Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to change date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. So the first step is to open the settings app. From here search date and time, tap on date and time. From here, if you want to set date and time manually, just disable this option and just tap on date to enter your date. From here, as you can see, you can change the date, the month and the year. Just by swiping up and down, you can change the date, the month and the year, just like that. Hit OK to save. And if you tap on time, you can change the hour and the minute, just like that. Hit OK to save. And if you want to set time automatically, just enable this option. And this is how you can change the date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.